Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. If you guys have watched my videos and you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you are watching these videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the red button and subscribe to the channel. So I am starting a new vlog now, which I'll be spending a weekend with you guys, and a lot will happen, but I doubt if I will have time to capture everything, but I'll try. So yeah, as you can see on the background now, something has changed. So we bought a new headboard, and it's been a month now. Yeah, it's been a month, so I didn't show you anything, but yeah, we have a new baby. Yeah, we are getting there, guys. We are getting there. So yeah, I thought I should come here before anything. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you.
Louisa.
guys, thank you so much for watching. So I'm here to close off this vlog, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and also ask your sisters, your brothers to do subscribe. Let's grow this family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.